Are you looking for the best sublimation printers? In this video we will look at some of the best sublimation printers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Workforce WF-7720. The is a perfect go-to for fellows who keen only on quality and nothing else. This printer works with pigment ink. This means you can be assured of high quality and long-lasting prints. Moreover, the device produces high-quality borderless images in no time and has a rare feed meant for special papers, which gives you more room for productivity. The printer features a 35-page auto document feeder. It is also used for fax, scan, two-sided auto print and photocopy. The color touch screen makes navigation pretty easy. Although the device is not compatible with third-party inks, so for optimum results, it's best to go for inks that are specifically meant for the brand. One of the mind-blowing features we find interesting here is that you can easily spot the ink level in advance and make provisions ahead of time. In addition to this, it helps to ensure continuity and avoid being cut off in the middle of a project. This device can either be used as a regular printer or a heat transfer printer. Number 2. Workforce WF-7720. This printer will only work with an original Epson cartridge. Using third-party cartridges are not advisable since they tend to limit the overall function and lead to damage with time. However, it's essential to note that damages that result from the use of third-party links are not covered by the warranty. The brand provided all the necessary information you need for usability and maintenance in the manual. In fact, Epson designs the device with unique precision and it produces borderless prints in shop-quality black text and color graphics. One of the significant features we find interesting in our review is that it is pretty economical in terms of power consumption. It keeps track of the ink level, so you don't have to run out of ink. In addition to it, the versatile paper handling feature handles up to 500 sheets. It also comes with an additional rear feed that can carry up to 125 sheets in an output tray. Number 3. Epson WF-7720. This all-in-one printer produces/reproduces print shop quality images that are up to 13 x 19 inches. Furthermore, this device can hold up to 500 sheet capacity and has an additional dual tray and rear feed made for special paper. With these unique features, we consider the printer a must-have gadget in an office due to its degree of versatility. In addition to this, it comes with a two-sided auto scan, fax, print, copy, an auto document feeder, and a 4.3 inches touchscreen for control and navigation. You can easily print on this device using a smartphone or tablet due to the wireless and wired network. Since this printer is a product of Epson, we recommend using inks specifically meant for the device. Using inks that are not recommended will lead to damages that are not covered by the product warranty. If you're out to get a sublimation printer that is economical and prints images with high quality for large projects, this device is a no-brainer. Number 4. Brother MFC J995DW. If you're running a small business or need a printer you can use at home, then this inexpensive sublimation printer will serve you best. It comes with a re-engineered tank cartridge with an additional ink storage tank that supports uninterrupted printing with an ink that can serve up to 12 months before opting for a replacement. With this printer, you don't get cut off in the middle of projects. The gauge value presents a numerical display that helps you spot the amount of ink remaining in the cartridge. This device can print up to 150 pages with a ratio of 40% color pages and 60% black pages based on the print volumes. You can use this with a wireless network. However, the mobile device used must have an Android, iOS 4, or have NFC capability. Bottom line, this device creates duplex prints of similar documents at 3 ppm. It reproduces images in less time, and it's faster than the most average printer. We recommend this device for schools, family use, and small business owners. Number 5. Canon PROGRAF IPF-770. The Canon 9856B002AA is not only perfect for printing large format images, but this simple gadget is also perfect for users with entry-level experience. This printer is suitable for signage and poster projects. It comes with magenta ink that produces impactful images. Canon is a brand known to produce top-notch electronic gadgets and has been at the forefront of production for the past 2 decades. The company understands what it means to have a printer that works with speed, so they designed this machine with the ability to produce a 1:23.39 x 33.11 within the space of 25 seconds using a little amount of ink. The inbuilt sub-ink tank helps to retain inks in the tank before a replacement and allows you to replenish an empty tank in the middle of your project without interrupting the process or the overall print quality.